One man named Son Sing Kro had gone missing since June 13. This has left his family in pain. In a shocking incident, it is reported that a person named Son Sing Kro had been missing since 13 of June 2022. Son Sing Kro is a resident of Narlong Ati, Habekro village, falling under the jurisdiction of Hauraghat police station. He is currently serving as the secretary of Dokmoka Lams. It has been 4 days since Son Sing Kro did not return home and his whereabouts is not yet known to anyone. This incident had shocked his wife Malaya Rongpipi and his 3-year-old daughter Clargelin Kropi. Malaya Rongpipi had filed an FIR missing report yesterday at Hauraghat police station to trace her missing husband and find him at the earliest time possible. Malaya Rongpipi also appealed all the citizens to kindly help her in tracing and finding her missing husband.
Long ini panang kacini dap tangta tapi ini supi juga aku han kecil lok kaki mata ciru kong lo ini patok kami patok tek lo masih nitum hemi sis me sung piklo masih nitu ple alang dikan kunan kedo teklong lok kulote ni ditum kan kap jingpen kacini ikat.
Ite pini nang itum hem siang bong bahini bong pini ke cetor ko mande ke bohong son dupan ma.
Awi labang ki.
Harsing Rongpi from Havarkihat and Dirchana Rongpi from Poloni report, Karbeng Long Live.